I literally just woke up. I pushed myself out of that bed and I said, I am recording this video today. I'm gonna record it. Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave today. Guys, today I'm going to be doing my morning routine. I'm going to show you what I do for my makeup and my hair because no, I do not go to work like this. I already washed my face, so that part won't be in this video, but I will be showing you what I do when it comes to my makeup and my hair. This is a very quick kind of makeup look, at least because I do this usually in the car, so I feel like it's a very quick. I work in a office, like a office environment, and we do see patients there because I work with a doctor, so we don't want to look too crazy. Other than that, guys, I want to put some makeup on because I look like shit. I have literally, okay, this is gonna be so ghetto. Like what I'm about to show you is so ghetto. My makeup collection that I use in an everyday basis does not fit in a makeup bag. So I literally carry my makeup in a plastic bag. I know, so freaking ghetto. I know. It's just, I don't know, the things that I use are pretty big. Like, I don't know, like none of this stuff fits anywhere. So I literally carry it in a plastic bag. But let's get to it because I'm gonna be late to work. It's 5:15 now, so I should hurry up. Alright guys, let's get to it. So the first thing that I do, I'm almost out of it. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go get some more. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face with a little bit of this spray here. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Damn, that shit was long. I read the bottom right here, that's why that was long. So I love pumps because, look, that's what I'm gonna use for my face. That's probably a lot, but I have a fat face, so I have to use a lot of primer. So I have my little mirror right here. So I'm gonna put it in all my problematic areas, which is literally my whole entire face. Just kidding. That was a weird laugh. It's my cheeks. I have like a huge pimple right there. So for foundation, guys, I use a different foundation every week. So the reason why is because I don't want foundations to go unused, and then I don't want to waste foundation, so I switch it every week. The foundation that I'm currently using, it's the Forever Dior, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to dab it on my face like this. And let's So for concealer, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Shape Tape, and it is by Tarte. Oh, my mirror keeps like moving, guys. Sorry if I'm struggling. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my eye, as I'm putting a lot. So I don't go in until 9, but I wanted to wake up early to do this for you guys, because I didn't want to be too rushed and, you know, like talking. I didn't want the talking to be very fast paced. So I woke up hell of early for you guys. And I'm so tired. So I think I mentioned this in my other video. When I do blend my concealer, I kind of use this part of the beauty blender. I don't know why. I feel like it fits under my eye very nicely. So that's the part I use. So after the foundation, I actually prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I've been using this for so long that I forgot what it was called. I usually do this first because I don't want the my concealer to start setting in my wrinkles under my eyes. So I'm going to do this really fast, guys. Give me just a second.
Am I fast forward? Am I fast forward? I'm probably doing it hella fast right now, huh? Trust me, I'm not doing it that fast.
So now I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way setting powder. So this is how I end up looking. And I do this while I'm driving, guys. So I've gone faces, I've gotten guys like honking, or like sometimes when I'm in the stoplight, like someone's right next to me, they're trying not to look, but come on, it's hard not to look, right, when you look like this. So after that, I actually been using this brush forever, and I always just use it for this step. I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean my whole entire face off. And then my forehead. And then, not wiping under my eyes, I'm just gonna wipe my eyelids. So you're gonna wipe off your eyelids. And this is how I'm gonna look. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my favorite palettes for work, which is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basic Palette. And I literally just use one brush for this. Actually, two of them, which is the Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Extra Bitter from the palette. And literally, this is how I do it. I start from the bottom, and now we're here. Just kidding. We're on the bottom, and now we're here. So when you get the blending, that's the part when you say, and now we're here. Just kidding, not the fuck I'm saying anymore. Anyway, so I start right here from the bottom, and I just start blending. Blending, blending. Blending, blending. So I go ahead and wipe off all the setting powder now. Okay, so after removing the setting powder, I go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm going to be using the NYC Color Wheel powder, bronzing powder. Start here. And then I'm gonna drag it up to the temples of my forehead here. See, it starts white, bronze, white, bronze. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight, and I'm gonna be using the Master Chrome by Maybelline. It'll literally just kind of do that. Oh shit. It's Friday, so I'm going all out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corners of my eye. Go ahead and use my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. So I brush my brows up, 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 up. And I just kind of do this. I usually don't wear eyelash extensions, but for the sake of this video, I am going to be doing that. I almost forgot my blush, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Hardy Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush. I'm going to go ahead and use some of my, I call these my eBay lashes. I get these on eBay. And honestly, for the eBay price, they're amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the tips.
Oh yeah.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of mascara on my lashes, just to kind of blend those together. And now to complete the look, guys, I am going to use the lipstick, which is this More Matte Lip Cream by Milani. It is in the color 10. Adorable. I love this color. I really do. So guys, this is how I do my makeup for work. Now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the hair.
So what I do usually, guys, this is what you guys will see if you guys end up going to my job. I part my hair not in the middle, but on the side right here.
Guys have it. This is what I do for work. I usually do a braid and I kind of just wear my hair down, or I push it to the back, all right, put it in a ponytail. But this is my everyday makeup look. I literally just use one shadow. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't wear lashes. I like how it looks, so I'm gonna probably start using lashes a little bit more often. But this is kind of what I do. I do it as I'm driving. I'm never sitting down in my vanity. I'm always driving and doing my makeup. It's probably bad to say, but that's what I do, guys. I do want to say something though. Not every product that I use today in this video is considered one of my favorite products. Some of them are just using so I can get rid of it soon. Some of them are my favorite products. I can let you guys know that the brow powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills is my favorite product when it comes for my brows. But if you guys want to see a favorites video, let me know. I will do that for you guys. Please comment on the comment section, guys. I really want to start interacting with everybody. I really want to hear what you guys have suggestions for what type of video I should film next. I'm starting to like this type of video where I tell you guys what I'm doing and I'm talking. Please let me know, guys, if you guys would like to see that doing my makeup with all my favorite products. I would love to do that, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying myself here on YouTube so far, so I want to thank every single person that has been showing so much support and are excited as I am to do this. Like I mentioned before, this was one of my biggest dreams and I'm finally doing it. It's never too late. Don't ever forget that, guys. It's never too freaking late. So I'm actually running late to work. I have to let you guys go. I really hope you guys love my video. I love you guys so much. I love every single one of you guys. I gotta go because I'm running late, guys. Love you guys so much. Until next time.